So guys, I've been really bored during this lockdown period, and I thought of taking up some projects on my own. And, there was this corner in my balcony which was just decorated with some plants and grass. So I thought of creating a seating for that area. Furniture design is very new to me. I have never designed furniture in my life ever. So I created this sofa for my balcony, which the whole process I'll be taking you through, so that you get an idea as to how I was able to create this. And yes, stick with me till the end of the video so you will get an idea of what I did with my bare hands and how I created this small seating for my balcony. So let's get right into it. So this is the corner where I want to create the sofa in. It already has some artificial grass and a few plants lying around. My plan was to create an L-shaped sofa in the corner. So the first step was to buy a plywood and get it cut according to my size, which was basically 20 inches by 55 inches for each seat. So 2 pieces of the same dimensions. So guys, I've sourced all the materials. I have the foam with me, the sofa foam, and the plywood under it. I got it cut, and yes, I got this from Sikandarpur, which is in Gurgaon. So it was easy for me to buy it from here, although not very cheap, but yes, easy and convenient. To begin with, I laid out the foam on the floor. It's a 4-inch thick foam and the dimensions are 6 feet by 4 feet. From this I'll be cutting the foam according to the same sizes of the plywood that I got cut, which was once again 20 inches by 55 inches. So I have my leatherite laid out, which is approximately 3.3 meters, and I'll be cutting it in half so both the pieces can be used for both the seatings. Now lay one of the panels of your leatherite upside down along with the foam sheet and the plywood, and cut your leatherite accordingly. So it took some time to figure out how to finish the edges and fold them, what would be the best way to do that, and I took some time around it in all the 4 corners. Now using the wood stapler, I attached the leatherite to the wood and fixing it in the right place. Make sure you pull the leatherite tightly before fixing it. We'll follow the same steps on the other side as well. You can notice how I wrap and fix the corners in the sofa so as to give it a neat look. So I'm following the same process on the other side as well, and I'm stapling the leatherite into the wood. Guys, this wood stapler has literally saved a lot of my time because it's very convenient to use and it's not very expensive to buy. So you can get yours as well, and it'll be very easy for you to fix things at home and actually create new stuff. So guys, these are ready. These 2 basically seats are already here, I had to pull the leatherite more and more and fix it again so as to remove all the extra creases that were being created while I sat on it. So yeah. So I got these metal pipes and other plumbing fixtures to create the structure for my seating as to give it an elevation and create legs for the same. So I started fixing these pipes without using a pipe wrench, and trust me, it was a task and definitely a workout for sure. So guys, I tried to create a whole structure for the bottom of our sofa, but it's not really balancing properly because of uneven length of pipes and stuff. So I'm not getting into that complex area right now. So I'll be just creating legs out of these, which will be around 13 inches long, and they'll be sufficient enough for our sofa. Lesson number 1: don't tighten your metal pipes so that you are not able to take them off later on if they get really tight. So I have joined one small 4 inches and one 8 inches long metal pipe along with this T in the middle, and I'll be fixing these flanges on both the ends like this. So I'll be making 12 of these, 6 each for one sofa, and yes, then we will go on to spray paint this. Well, these are the flanges that we've attached on the top and bottom. One side will be fixed on the base and the other will give support on the ground. So guys, I'll be using a black spray paint on these legs that I've created. Because these are finally painted, painting in black, but yeah, it's good to be worked with, yeah. So guys, I have these gypsum screws with me. These are 0.75 inches long, and I would be directly screwing them into the plywood. And our seating is ready. Since I took all the dimensions very carefully, it fits perfectly in this space, and now we'll be moving on to styling this place. So guys, I ordered these cushion covers from Flipkart. I'll put the link in the description below. There are 5 of these. It's a pack of 5 with different patterns, and it's black and white, so which will go very well with the sofa. So guys, I've used this extra table at home, which I thought works well with this whole look. It needs some repairing in terms of refurbishing maybe and painting it, but for now I think it serves the purpose, and yes, I am pretty happy with how it's turned out to be. So yes, I hope you like this video, and do subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to never miss a video. Until next time, keep it online. Bye.